Okay, also you have your infusion sets that you're going to have to be familiar with. And if you'll notice, if you went to the supply room to grab some, you might have quite a few there. Mainly what you're going to be looking for is a primary set. You'll see this number right here, you usually have 10s and 20s. Needless to say, this is a 20. And what does that mean? That's going to be about 20 drops per milliliter. So that's what we're looking. We're going to have about 20 drops for each milliliter. And you'll have to factor that in when you start, if you're setting your drip rate. Okay? You'll have the primary set. You'll also get familiar with the secondary set. And if you'll notice, these are from the same facility, and it's 20 and 20. Might get into some trouble if you had like a 10 one place and a 20 the other. So that's something you need to be aware of. We also have a blood set, and if you'll notice, it's clearly marked blood set. Those are also called Y sets with the 15 drop, but that's just something you need to be aware of. You'll also see filter extension sets. Then there's regular extension sets. A micro drip will have like 60, and you'll see that, but it's used a lot for kids and everything, where you can put your liquid down in that, and it just makes you have a little bit more control over it. We'll go over those in more detail because sometimes they're a little difficult to get all the air bubbles out. But that just kind of gives you an overview of what you're going to be looking for. And when you go into a supply room, make sure you know what you're picking up.